Hi everyone! Today we're going to cover how to use exposure compensation in manual mode on your Nikon D7200. Rotate the mode dial on the top left of your camera to set it to M for manual mode. Use the main command dial right near your thumb when holding the grip to set your shutter speed, and the sub-command dial at the front of the grip to set your aperture. These settings will be your starting point before using exposure compensation. Press and hold the exposure compensation button, marked with A+/, sign and located right next to the shutter button. While holding this button, rotate the back command dial. This will adjust the exposure compensation value, allowing you to darken or lighten the exposure. In manual mode, this effectively adjusts your ISO while keeping your chosen aperture and shutter speed constant. Capture an image to see the effects of your adjustments. Review the photo's exposure and make further adjustments if necessary. And that's how you adjust exposure compensation in manual mode on your Nikon D7200.